What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 FPS mouse in 2020. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers, so whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. We're opening up our review of the top 5 FPS mouse in 2020 with Razer's DeathAdder Essential as our best budget pick. As most gamers already know, Razer is one of the most reliable and popular brands in the industry, and their low-end products are far superior to most budget gear available from other companies. The dimensions of this FPS mouse measure 5.01 inches by 2.86 inches by 1.69 inches, and it weighs around 4.32 ounces. It's super small and is basically weightless, so it's perfect for fast-paced action and first-person shooter games alike. In terms of performance, Razer's DeathAdder Essential offers a high-quality optical sensor that offers up to 6400 dpi. Although more expensive models offer nearly twice as much, 4K dpi rating is exceptional for the money. It also rocks a highly ergonomic design. The clicks are decently mellow, and there's a silicone texture on both sides that offers a more stable grip. However, this feature also makes it slightly harder to maintain, as this specific kind of surface tends to collect skin debris and sweat a lot. The durability of Razer's DeathAdder Essential is amazing, especially when we consider the fact that it is such a cheap mouse. It is made of high-quality plastic material, and it can offer up to some 10 million clicks, give or take a few. Basically, the thing that we like the most about Razer's DeathAdder Essential is its sheer simplicity. It doesn't have too many features, but the ones that it packs are of tremendous quality and reliability. This straightforward approach goes a long way for both spray and pray and highly accurate moments in FPS games as opposed to MOBAs and MMORPGs that typically involve dozens and dozens of macros. On the downside, the versatility of Razer's DeathAdder Essential pales in comparison to its more expensive counterparts. If you ever wish to switch over to more complex games, you'll be left short-handed with only 5 programmable buttons. All in all, Razer's DeathAdder Essential is worth more than its price tag indicates, and for a budget mouse, it packs quite a punch in terms of value for the buck. Our next pick is HyperX's Pulsefire FPS Pro, and we've labeled it as our best value gaming mouse in 2020 due to a plethora of reasons. In a nutshell, this is a relatively simple FPS mouse that rocks a textured, grippy surface, numerous programmable buttons, excellent DPI rating, and it's actually available at a very approachable price. Its dimensions measure 5 inches by 2.87 inches by 1.69 inches, and it weighs 3.3 ounces only, which is phenomenal for an entry-level gaming mouse. In terms of design, it sports semi-sharp and angled clicks that offer authentic feel, and the plastic it is made of is pretty sturdy and rugged. One of the coolest features that this gaming mouse comes supplied with is the PixArt PAW3389 sensor that boasts 16,000 dpi dots per linear inch, which is exactly the reason why it is so great for first-person shooters. You can easily adjust its sensitivity to cater to your sense of aiming accuracy and precision. This is a wired gaming mouse that sports a 1.8 meter long and braided cable. Apart from its superb length, the cable is just as durable as the rest of the construction. Furthermore, its rolling wheel boasts selectable RGB lighting configurations, including colors such as red, pink, blue, and yellow, all of which will help you orient a bit more easily in poorly lit environments. Performance-wise, HyperX's Pulsefire FPS Pro offers a total of 6 unique programmable buttons, 2 on its left side, 2 clicks, the rolling wheel, and the middle mouse button right below it. However, the highlight feature of this gaming mouse is the HyperX Ingenuity software that allows you to fine-tune and customize the performance, lighting, and macros of this gaming mouse. The lighting section is comprised of RGB speed and color type and modes options, while the performance section governs the mouse's accuracy and precision. What's more, HyperX's Pulsefire FPS Pro also sports an onboard memory that allows you to store user-made customizations, allowing you to have different parameters and configurations for different games. We can't say that it actually has any major flaws since it is a low-end gaming mouse, but you can't really do much with it in terms of customization without the software. If the program needs to update, you'll need to reboot the system before you can make any adjustments, so you can't really hope to make minor tweaks while pausing between matches without restarting your PC. In any way, HyperX's Pulsefire FPS Pro is an excellent mouse that offers professional quality, features, and versatility. So if you are low on cash and are looking for a feature-packed FPS mouse, look no further than this model. Our following pick is Logitech's G Pro Wireless FPS Mouse. Even though it might look simple and straightforward at first, this gaming mouse actually packs a variety of cool and innovative features that afford it a superior level of versatility. The dimensions of this FPS mouse measure 1.57 inches by 2.50 inches, and it's almost weightless with only 2.88 ounces of weight. Just like our previous picks, it sports customizable lighting features as well as onboard memory banks where you can store your presets and settings, allowing you to keep different configurations for different kinds of games. One of the best things about this gaming mouse is the fact that it sports 8 programmable buttons, including 2 on each side, a middle mouse button, the programmable wheel button, and the clicks. The FPS mouse is supplied with the exquisite Hero 16K sensor. It got named after 16,000 16K DPI it provides, which makes its sensitivity range incredibly broad, and again perfect for first-person shooters. Obviously, this is a wireless gaming mouse that packs a very strong rechargeable battery. A single charge typically lasts for up to 48 hours, although time spans may slowly decline over time. Luckily, you can always purchase a replacement for just a couple of bucks. What we really liked about this FPS mouse is the fact that it's built in a very simple fashion, yet it offers unparalleled versatility in terms of programmable features and customization options atop the built-in memory for presets and configurations. However, there were a couple of things we didn't like as much. For instance, you'll find that replacing the buttons is one hell of a chore, mainly because the original buttons are delicately connected to the sensor and the other hardware, so if you happen to mash some out, your safest bet would be taking the mouse in for some repairs. Overall, there aren't many tasks that Logitech's G Pro Wireless FPS mouse can't do, and it pretty much excels in almost all fields of performance aside from maintenance, so its value for the cash is tremendous. Gaming mouse models are, by default, light as a feather, but there are models that are super light, even by near weightless standards. If you really wish for your FPS mouse to be an extension of your hand, we recommend checking out FinalMouse's Ultralight 2 Cape Town model. Nearly everything about this model is unique. It sports an exquisite textured shell that provides a very authentic feel. It's also built from premium quality materials that afford it a massive durability rating. The dimensions of this gaming mouse measure 29.46 inches by 13.46 inches by 9.07 inches, and it weighs around 1.76 ounces. It rocks a fairly long 1.9 meter cable, which is almost twice its weight. In terms of design, this is an optical, ambidextrous mouse that can be used for both left-handed and right-handed players with equal efficiency. It was built in such a way that both of its sides and clicks are meant to feel comfortable regardless of which hand you are using. As far as sensitivity goes, the resolution of FinalMouse's Ultralight 2 Cape Town measured in DPI spans from 400 to 6000, although we would have loved to see at least 10K, even 6K is more than enough for you to find the right sensitivity setting for most FPS games. It sports 6 programmable buttons, including the 2 clicks, 2 buttons on the left side, the rolling wheel button, and the middle mouse button. On top of that, the sides feature exceptionally comfortable grippy textures that will help you grip the mouse in an ergonomic, natural way. Obviously, it has its downsides, but the only major drawback is its hefty price tag. Some people might or might not like how this mouse feels initially, mainly because it feels substantially different from traditional gaming mouse models, but that's pretty much it. All things considered, the FinalMouse's Ultralight 2 Cape Town is an exquisite, innovative gaming mouse packed with nothing but top-shelf features. So, if you are out on the market looking for a lightweight model, you should definitely at least consider it. Our final pick is Razer's Basilisk Ultimate. Just like its name suggests, this is the ultimate, best-rounded, most versatile FPS gaming mouse model that you should consider if you don't mind paying a bit more for it. Generally speaking, this is a large mouse that comes supplied with a myriad of extraordinary features, and even though it's slightly heavier than average, it's remarkably fast and responsive. It's also one of the most customizable FPS gaming mice, as well as one of the most reliable models out there. The dimensions of Razer's Basilisk Ultimate measure 2.96 inches by 5.11 inches by 1.67 inches, and it weighs 3.77 ounces. In comparison to other Razer gaming mice, the Basilisk Ultimate is definitely the heaviest, with the Basilisk X Hyperspeed coming in at second place. This model features the Focus Plus 20K DPI sensor that offers the broadest sensitivity range. In fact, Razer's Basilisk Ultimate is the most highly customizable gaming FPS mouse in this particular field of performance. Furthermore, it rocks rocks a designated DPI button that allows you to stitch between 5 different DPI preset stages. As far as comfort goes, Basilisk Ultimate features rubberized sides for firmer and more comfortable grip, as well as for a more enjoyable gaming experience. What we like the most about this gaming mouse is the fact that it offers 11 programmable buttons. It's nearly twice as versatile as an average boutique FPS model. Obviously, it costs a bit more than your standard typical gaming FPS mouse, but given the fact that its versatility and performance are both unparalleled and unmatched, we dare say it's the best model that the current market has to offer. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.